Cebu's prestigious football tournament, Aboitiz Football Club, has been rebranded as Aboitizland Football Cup.
As Aboitizland celebrates its 25th anniversary this year, we embark on a new era for the Aboitiz Football Cup. Together with the Central Visayas Football Association, Aboitizland is honored to continue the legacy, and in this light, rebrands the tournament from Aboitiz Football Cup to Aboitizland Football Cup.
The Cup will officially open on September 14 at SM Seaside City, Cebu, with football fans to expect another year filled with exciting and action-packed games. A total of 70 teams registered as of this August, with more expected to join. We'll be seeing action in this year's edition of the country's longest-running football league.
We're looking at around 150 teams total, and for the number of players, probably about 5,000 players that will be joining the prestigious cup.
So the tournament started already early this month, and it's going to run until December because we have several divisions.
Aboitizland emphasized the importance of sports in holistic development of our youth, hence the advocacy for sports development. Because of this, Aboitiz has ongoing plans to build a football field here in Cebu, same as one they built in Batangas.
There's no other excitement that we have other than putting up that field in Cebu. So that, when I say I know that maybe in the past words like plans were given out, but what I'm saying is that those plans, I've seen those plans already. What's nice is once it is in the project plan, you know that it is live. It is making sure that we have that place set up, and we've been looking at Liloan as a possible site for it.
So we have some discussions with Sir Brian before na siguro by next year is tagaan o chance na ma-expand ang Aboitizland Football Cup, having also some games in Bohol. So sana sa among gilo-look forward for next year.
For now, the games will be held in 5 different venues: Cebu City Sports Center, Ateneo de Cebu, Paraf Springdale, San Roque Football Field, and Don Bosco Technology Center. In the media briefing held at Aboitiz Corporate Center on August 22, Aboitizland and Central Visayas Football Association signed a memorandum of agreement to seal their partnership in staging the 21st Aboitizland Football Cup.
So it's not just a tournament, it is that community level. The tournament is always that challenge that is given. In fact, we would always have meetings to really discuss on how we can make it broader and wider in terms of scope. Remember, football is not as popular as you can think in terms of basketball.
With the expanded scope and added support of different football organizations, Aboitizland Football Cup embarks into a new challenge. For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.